DoNotPay, iLegal automation pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people think iLegal tools are gimmicks, but the surprising truth is that DoNotPay offers real, practical solutions at a fraction of traditional legal costs. DoNotPay operates on a subscription model starting at per month. This gives access to automated services such as fighting traffic tickets, cancelling subscriptions, drafting basic legal letters, and generating court forms. Each feature uses AI to guide you step by step, making legal tasks accessible to non-experts. For example, if you received a parking ticket, DoNotPay can generate an appeal letter, file it electronically, and track responses. Users report a high success rate and substantial savings compared to hiring an attorney for minor issues. Other features include generating the templates, sending demand letters, and even helping with landlord-tenant disputes. Platform emphasizes transparency, with no hidden fees, and the continually updates to comply with current laws and regulations. Most people get surprised by how much legal work can be automated efficiently and affordably. In conclusion, DoNotPay provides incredible value for anyone looking to handle routine legal tasks quickly and cost-effectively. For a small monthly subscription, you gain access to a wide range of AI-powered legal tools that save time, money, and stress.